Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see. Here it is. Okay, you can see my face is pretty red, but no bleeding. Also, my face kind of drank up all the products. I put, I would say, about 25 milliliters of product on my face, and it's all gone. Okay, so I have passed with my Dermapen. I also passed here, I passed underneath here, and I passed over my lips. I put it down to 0.5 for that. And the only thing that I have left now, because my skin kind of feels like it's burning, it feels like a sunburn. So what I did now, I took whatever was left of my solution. I added a little bit of base toner because, like I said, I pretty much used up everything. And then I added Special K cream in the mix, which is amazing, anti-inflammatory, anti-age. It will close up the skin super fast. So that's it. Here we go. I'm gonna just put all this product on my face and on my neck. Now, what am I gonna expect? First of all, since I can't get out, I'm gonna stay in. If I could, I would still have to stay away from the sun for about 24 hours. It's about a couple of days before I can put sunblock on, because my skin is now super porous and it will just suck in everything you put on. Okay, don't put vitamin C quite yet, unless you really know what type it is, and you know it doesn't have any acid inside, which vitamin C is basically acid, so I just wouldn't do it. Anyway, you can put hyaluron because it's different, because that's something that your body naturally produces. And just hydrate, because if you are gonna go 1.0 or more, your skin is probably gonna feel super dry. It's gonna start to flake. It may get really wrinkly, small wrinkles. You may feel like or look like you're, I don't know, 100 years old. But don't worry, because slowly the skin will start to recuperate, and after some time you're going to be left with some really amazing skin. If you want to get any type of result, you should repeat this 3 times minimum. And of course, I always suggest that if you have any doubts, you better go to a salon, somebody who has a license to do this, because they also have better conditions, they have good products, they will know exactly what your skin needs. Because sometimes we may feel really enthusiastic and do something and feel really prepared, but unless you're a skin specialist, yeah, you may get some very adverse effects. So if you're not sure, 0.25 is like nothing. 0.5 even, okay? Anything more than that, I will start being careful. And definitely, if you're asking what's better, machine like Dermapen or something like that, or Kapydermia, which is on the market, or derma roller, I would definitely go for the machine, because it's a whole world of difference. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I wish you glowing, perfect, wonderful, hydrated, lifted up skins. And until next time, you take care and stay safe.